Ready to turn your design dreams into stunning 3D reality? Let's dive into SketchUp Pro. First, let's draw a simple rectangle. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbar. It looks like a rectangle. Click once on the screen to set the first corner, then drag your mouse and click again to define the second corner. Now, for some dimension, grab the push-pull tool. It looks like a little extrusion. Click on the rectangle, drag upwards, and release to create a 3D box. See how easy that was? Let's add a simple roof. Select the line tool. It's a pencil. Draw a line from the midpoint of one of the top edges of the box to the midpoint of the opposite edge. This creates a dividing line. Now, the magic, grab the move tool. It looks like 4 arrows. Click on that center line you just drew, and gently pull it upwards. Watch as your box transforms into a house with a pitch roof. Congratulations! You've just built your first simple structure in SketchUp Pro. This is just the beginning. Explore the other tools, experiment, and unleash your creativity.